Cold as fuck out here. She don't stop me though. Just finished shoveling out here and shit. Man. My neighbor's front too. You know? A little path, so walk to the store. You know? Hooked up their car. You know what I'm saying? Good neighbor. You know what I mean? That's how I be doing, you know? You can walk all the way out to the middle of the street, no problem. You know what I'm saying? Look, no problem. That's how we do it in New York. You ain't worried about no damn Blizzard. Look, I even dare my neighbors. You think I'm bullshitting? Look, see it. You can see it from right there, see? You know what I mean? Look.